Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are your course pages looking broken with plain text, giant logos, or no layout at all? Let me show you how to fix common layout issues in Teachable. First, check your uploaded file names. This is the most common cause of layout problems. If any image or file has special characters, spaces, emojis, or non-English text in its name, your theme style file won't load correctly. Rename files using only letters, numbers, and hyphens, like bannerimager.jpg instead of banner-final.jpge. Now, force your theme to rebuild. Go to Site Theme Customize. Make a small change, like updating a button color or font. Then click Save. This forces the theme to regenerate properly. Refresh your course page. It should look normal again. If your lecture content stretches across the whole screen, check your course settings. Go to the Information tab of your affected course. Look for the Limit Lecture Content Width setting. Toggle it on to set a maximum width of 760 px. This keeps your content readable on all screen sizes. Note that courses created after May 2022 have this enabled by default. Still having issues? It might be a Teachable platform problem. Teachable recently had an incident where curriculum pages displayed incorrectly for some students. Check the Teachable status page to see if there's an active outage. The issue was resolved, but similar problems can occur. Finally, check the changelog for recent fixes. Teachable recently fixed an issue where in-persons weren't displaying correctly in course descriptions. You may need to manually update affected descriptions, and that's it. Rename your files, rebuild your theme, adjust content width settings, and check platform status. Your course layout should be back to normal. If you fixed your layout issues, let me know what worked in the comments. See you in the next one.